Not only can reports organize and present data from your database, but they can also perform basic calculations on your data. Let's look at an example. Let's start by looking at the finished version of the report we want to create. This report shows every product that our restaurant has sold. It's grouped by product type, and under each grouping we have a list of all of the products of that type. Next to each product we have the number that have been sold and the total revenue from that product. We also have subtotals that show the total sales for each product type, and at the very bottom we have the grand total for all of the sales. In this example, we've already finished the first step, which is to create a query to use as a base for the report. This query brings together the product names and prices from the products table, the primary key from the orders table, and the product types from the product types table. We have the query grouped by products and product types. We're counting the total number of orders and adding the total price of each order. This is what the query looks like in Datasheet view. Now we can use the report wizard to make a report based on the query. We'll choose the query we want in this drop-down, then add all of the fields to the report. The next window gives us the option to add grouping levels. Let's set this report to group by product type and click Next. This window gives us the option to sort our data however we'd like. Let's sort it alphabetically by product. We also have this Summary Options button, which allows us to add totals to our report. When we click it, a dialog box appears and asks us what summary information we'd like to calculate. It has both of the number fields from the query and checkboxes to add the sum or total, average value, smallest value, or largest value. Let's check the boxes to add the total for both the number of products sold and their total price. This window lets us choose a layout for the report. Let's stick with the default stepped layout. Finally, we can give our report a name and click Finish. As you can see, this report still has a long way to go before it's ready to present. However, all of the basic information is in place. We have the names of each product grouped by product type, the number sold, the money earned by each product, and the totals at the bottom. Now we know how to make a report with summary information, such as totals and averages. Summary information makes reports even more useful.